KCSE November 2022, question number 2. A family used 2/5 of its monthly income on school fees. 3/4 of the remaining amount was used on family upkeep, while the rest was invested. The family invested 13,500 monthly. Calculate the amount of money the family used on school fees every month. Okay. So let me split my space here. So we have 2/5 being spent on school fees. Then 3/4 of the remaining amount. The remaining amount is 1 minus 2/5, which is 3/5. This is what is remaining. So the 3/5 which is remaining, we take 3/4 of it, right? 3/4 of it, which is 9/20. Okay, so 9/20 will be spent on family upkeep. Okay, then the rest. Now the rest is going to be the school fees plus the upkeep minus the whole. Okay, the school fees, which is 2/5, plus the upkeep, which is 9/20, is going to give us, the LCM is 20 here. 4 plus 2, 8, plus 9. That's going to be 17/20. Okay, so we have 17/20. Now it's saying while the rest was invested. Okay, so we take 1 minus 17/20, which is the same as 3/20 now. Okay, so if 3/20 is what was invested, so 3/20 is what is equivalent to 13,500. What about what? What about the 2/5, which is spent on school fees? 2/5 will be equivalent to what? Okay, it's going to be 2/5 multiplied by 13,500 multiplied by 20 all over 3. Okay, by 5/1 by 5/4. Let's do 13,500 times 8. That gives us 108,000. When we divide it by 3, we get 36,000. It goes to 36,000 Kenya shillings. Okay, so that's the second question.